Alright, what is good, y'all? I know I haven't posted in a while. I'm sorry, I've been really busy with a whole bunch of stuff. But of course, we're back, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install AK47 base. Alright, because I've seen a couple of you guys have questions, or you guys are getting errors, and stuff is just not going right. So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how to do it. So of course, first thing you're gonna want to do is go over his Discord, and you're gonna want to scroll all the way down until you find Tebex. Go to all in one, and you're gonna want to buy Fivem Beyond, which is, I'm pretty sure, his V2. Yep. So this is probably the one you're gonna want to buy right here. And once you're done with buying that, you can go back into his Discord. You're gonna want to go over to server info, and you're gonna want to grab the download and open up your VPS, and then go to it, and the decryption key is of course right here as well, and you're gonna want to click decrypt and open it up. All right, I'll be right back with you guys as soon as it's loaded. All right, now what you're gonna want to do is hit save to mega, and you can just log into your mega account. I'll be right back as soon as I'm logged in, guys. All right, and then once you're all logged in, you're gonna want to just hit save to mega, and you just want to save it into your cloud. You're just gonna hit import, and I'll be right back with you guys as soon as it's done. All right, and once it's imported, you can go ahead and close off of that. You're gonna want to open your mega app, click the three dots, and go to download, and you're gonna want to double click, or you can just click on it and hit OK. You're gonna want to choose where you want to download it. I usually put it right on the desktop. We're gonna select that and just hit OK. And now you guys can see that it's downloading, and I'll be right back as soon as it's done downloading. Alright guys, and as soon as it is done downloading, it should appear on your desktop right here. And now we're just gonna open the folder. We're gonna go to artifacts. Actually, make sure you have Heidi SQL and Examp downloaded. So the first thing we're gonna want to do is go to SQL, VPS, and database. We're gonna want to open the database. And here, if you want, you can change this. I wouldn't really change anything, but then once this is in here, you just want to click this blue check mark up here. I'm not gonna do it. I already have it installed, but that is all you do. And then now you just want to go over to artifacts. You're gonna want to scroll all the way down till you see FX server. You're gonna want to double click on that, and it should open up. Oh wait, let's wait for this to open up. It should open up your system browser to TX admin. Yep, and you're gonna want to hit link account. You're just gonna want to link your CFX account. That way you have TX menu in game. This is also where you manage everything. Here you can put whatever you want. You're not really gonna ever need this password, honestly. I've never had to use it again. But then you just wanna click that and create master account. And then here, I'm gonna just put it to test server. Next, and then for the deployment type, you're gonna want to hit existing server data. You're gonna want to go over here, and you're gonna open server data, and you're just gonna click this white space right here. You're gonna want to control C to copy and just paste it in right there. You're gonna hit save and start. And it won't start since you do not have a key. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to keymaster.fivem.net, and it should load. You're gonna hit sign in, and it should put yours won't have all the black. It's going to be just a white screen, of course, and you're going to want to create a new one. I already have some, so I'm going to just keep these here. So I'm going to just grab this one that I use for my test servers. We're going to copy this, go to CFG editor, and you're going to replace all the X's with your key. Now that we're already in here, you guys can go ahead and edit the server name. I'm just going to make it YouTube example, And I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and go ahead and change it down here as well. Now you guys can do whatever you want with the tags. You can change the description. Um, these details, you can change this as well. It's just the banners. You're gonna want to keep everything else the same, and you're just gonna hit save. And you're gonna also want to go to your settings. You're gonna go to FX server and make sure 1sig is on with infinity. You're gonna hit save FX server settings. Go back to your live console and hit restart. And I'll be right back as soon as the server is started and I'm loaded in. All right, I'm back. You guys will get this error. The way to fix this error, you're going to want to go to your Discord. You're going to want to go down to Men and AK47 Discord. You're going to go to it's not an announcements, updates v2, and you're going to want to download this right here because there was an update to it, and you're just going to go ahead and download it. Open it up. You're gonna go to open, and you can just click that and hit yes. Okay, you can refresh, make sure the changes are made, and we can go ahead and close out of this now. And once you're closed out of that, you can go back over here and hit restart, and I'll be right back with you guys as soon as it is restarted. All right, and after that quick installation, as you can see, everything is in here. There's no errors at all. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Fivem, and I'll be right back as soon as I'm loaded into the server, guys. All right, guys, and we're now loaded into the server. So of course, first thing you're just gonna create a character, and I'm gonna just do the same thing I did for an example. But as you guys can see, it definitely works. We had no errors. There shouldn't be no errors in here either. You can see everything works how it should be. Spawn selector will just spawn at the cookies, for example, just to show you that this works as well. Okay, didn't load in, but that's fine. See, everything works. We have the custom blips working. Um, everything works as intended. If you guys are getting errors, something is not working right, you guys can comment it down below or at me in his Discord. I'm always in there answering questions. But yeah, as you guys can see, that is how you install his base. I'm gonna show you guys how to configure certain things really quickly. For example, if you do not want like a weapon reticle, for example, you're just going to go to AK47 inventory and config. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see it right here. You can just hide the reticle right here. This will hide the crosshair so you don't have a crosshair. Another thing we can look for is how to put your server name on the passport. So usually what I like doing is I just open Visual Studio Code and I just search up what I'm looking for. So as you can see, you're just gonna go to, you just can do this as well, or we can go directly through the files. We'll just go over here, ESX identity, HTML, and we're just gonna open the index HTML. You can just go ahead, edit with Visual Studio Code, and it'll open just like this. And you can just put your server name right here. So for example, do the same thing. I'm just put YouTube example, and now ESX identity. So now if I load into the server, and let's see if this breaks anything. Identity, but it's not how you spell identity. It's not. It is. No, it's not. What was that? Not how you spell it. Give me a sec. I'm being a little slow right now. So we can just do restart, and it should restart. So can I do force? Yeah, there you go. And now I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna just create a new character, and as you can see, it changed it right here. So you can just obviously put your server name there, as everything works as we wanted it to. But as you guys can see, it is honestly fairly simple to install the base. Um, but if you guys do have any questions, if you guys are getting different errors or something like that, you could, like I was saying, you can comment it down below or just at me in the Discord. Like I was saying, I'm in there. I'm helping you guys all the time. More videos will be released more consistently. I've been busy these past 2 weeks, which is why there hasn't been any videos. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. And I'll post another video tomorrow. If you guys want a specific script you guys want me to make a video on, just let me know and I'll make a video on it. But that's all for today, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.